In today's video, I'll show you how I achieved this afro look on my 4C natural hair. It's my birthday and I decided to keep it really simple. So give this video a thumbs up if you like this look on me, and let's jump into this tutorial, okay? So to begin, I'm going to be moisturizing my hair with my Shea Butter recipe. Now I made this product, so if you are curious to know what is in there, it is in my DIY playlist. It's my Shea Butter recipe. Keeps my hair really moisturized, and you'll definitely gonna need a lot of moisture if you're gonna be wearing your hair out at all. I don't style my hair while it is dry, so I make sure I thoroughly moisturize my hair. And trust me, my hair is just gonna drink up all of this like it's good news. So once my hair is moisturized, I'm just working the product in my strands to make sure that it's all over. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and undo these twists that I've had forever. I mean, I washed my hair in twists a couple days ago. I did not really get a chance to stretch my hair, so I just left it as is. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo these twists in the front. I stretch them. Yeah, I don't usually use heat on my hair, but in this case, I lightly blow it out. It wasn't wet, so I did the tension method on low heat setting for a few minutes. And that was enough to get it to where I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean my parts. Even with my hair sort of blown out, my hair gets tangled very easy. But I'm taking my time to do my sections. It took great patience to get these beads on, but I'm done. Shake it, girl. So now let's get our afro in the back. My hair has been in twist for a while. It is shrunken. Listen, do not let my shrinkage trick you. Shrinkage is real. My hair looks so flat after taking them out of twist that I had in for a while. No, not to worry. I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get it poofy and looking voluminous. Yeah, let me find these words wherever I find them from. So, when you take down your twist, I prefer if I had in braids because braids will give me more stretch and easier to work with. But hey, we got to do what we got to do. So I'm separating the strands because they sort of stick themselves together. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of water. This is my spray bottle, just water in there. And I'm not spritzing the end, I'm just spritzing to the base of my hair at a section. And then I'm going to go in with my pick. And I'm just going to fluff that out, fluff it out. Listen, this takes a very long time. But voila. After you're done fluffing, that's what you get. Yay! Let me know if you're loving this look on me. And look, it does have movement. This is what I do at the end of that afro for my nighttime routine. Girl, I did this style forever. I did not wear it in an afro every day until my birthday. And then the next day, on the day of my birthday, this is how I'll be wearing it. This is actually the night when my hair starts matting up and looking all crazy. But yeah, time for bed. So I'm about to braid back the back. Good night. Thank you for watching, and here's some pictures for your patience. Let me know in the comment section if you like the style, if you'd ever try it, or you just like it on me. Until next time, Jesus love you guys. So be very good, and thanks for your birthday wishes. Bye.